Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everybody. How are you all?
I'm fine, ma'am. How about you?
I'm also
Good morning.
Good morning. Switch on to your videos, all of you, quickly.
Ma'am, I already on.
Yes, those who have not started, please switch on to your videos. Okay. Ready, everybody? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
How was your weekend, all of you? Nice?
Very nice. Yes, ma'am.
Nice. Okay. All right. So this is English. English. We are doing English. I'll just share something. Okay. That day we did alphabetical order. Remember?
Yes.
Alphabetical
Yes,
order.
ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you all see this? Words.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We'll do this. You all have to solve it now. Okay. Solve in the sense you'll have to write it in order.
Everything starting with the letter B.
What?
No, everything starting with a letter, ma'am, like A, B, C, D.
You have to write it in order, beta. First is candle, mouse, after table. So what will be the answer? According to A after, then candle, A, B, then L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, L, M. So M, mouse, and then last will be table. Yes?
I finished drawing the flower.
Come on, write the first answer. Quick.
Ma'am, how we have to write?
How you write with a
Like this,
pencil,
A,
no?
then
You use a pencil, no? Use your pencil and write it in your book. Answer after candle.
Ma'am, full spelling, yes?
Yes, then how can you write half, beta? What a question is that? How can you write half? First, copy the question. First, the question is candle, mouse, after table. Then below you write answer. Is that clear? If you don't want to write the question, leave it, just write the answer. Is that clear? Hinda,
Yes.
Sayyad, switch on to your videos quickly. Hina, are you back in town?
No, ma'am.
Then switch on to your video 1 minute. I want to see you. Sayyad, Hinda, are you there, beta? Hinda?
Yes, ma'am.
Why your video is off? Please switch on to your videos and listen to me what I'm saying, beta. See, the screen
Am I
which I'm
did the
sharing.
alphabetical order properly?
Mute yourselves. First, mute yourselves. I don't want anybody talking. Don't make me angry in the morning. This question I will be sharing on Google Classroom. Hinda, are you listening to me? I'm talking to you all. Okay? So this question
Yes.
I will share on Google Classroom. You can write answer 1 now. Is that clear? Answer 2, answer 3. Is that clear? Understood, beta?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Question I will share on Google
Ma'am.
Classroom. Don't write the question if you don't want. Okay. Who is that, ma'am?
Ma'am, me.
What happened?
Ma'am, this is our homework.
This we are doing now. How can you say it's homework when I'm explaining now?
Ma'am, now we have to go and
What, beta? Arhan, we cannot hear you with that headphones. It's very difficult to hear you.
Ma'am, now we have to go to Google Classroom.
This I will share, beta. After every class, I don't share on Google Classroom. I share or I don't share, Arhan?
You share.
Yes, so now you read the question from here and write the answer. There's no need to write the question. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so that your time is not wasted. Directly write the answer.
By one, like the ABCD,
What?
like A for after.
Yes, you have to
that.
write in alphabetical order, beta. First, see which alphabet will come. A.
Ma'am, we have to write ABCD also.
No, beta, Ikra, you're asking very funny questions. How can you write ABCD?
Ma'am, I can't see the screen.
Share the
How can you
screen.
write ABCD? Bilal, see so many questions they're asking which are not related to the topic only. You heard?
Ma'am, I have written them in order, ma'am.
Ma'am,
I've written the first.
Forget it. Don't do that topic. Leave it. If you all don't understand, we will not do it. Forget it.
Ma'am, I can't see the screen.
No, I'm not sharing the screen because nobody is concentrating. They're asking me funny questions. That day I taught you all that you have to read the first alphabet. Whether A comes first, pick up that, write that A answer. Then B, then C. Yes or no? Didn't I show you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So can I share the screen and can you all do it now?
Yes.
Start. Okay, look at the first one. Candle, mouse, after table. Okay, when you say A, B, C, D, A is after. So first is after. Yes? Yes or no?
Yes.
Tell me a big yes, all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then C, A, B, C. So candle, second is candle. Okay, then A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. M, then mouse. And the last one is table. Is that clear? You want me to write the answers?
No, ma'am.
Okay,
ma'am.
you all can do this. Now second one.
Yes.
Second, first is book. B-double-O-K, book. A-B. Then F-O-U, F-A-U-C-E-T, faucet. Yes? And the third one is kitten. And the fourth one is plant.
Good morning.
Faucet, kitten, and plant. Third one. Yes, good morning.
Then what are we doing?
Arrange in alphabetical order, beta. Third one. Bilal, third one, have you tried?
Ma'am, you are not sharing the screen for such a long time because you were talking, so I didn't
No,
write
it is.
it.
I've shared the screen. They are reading and writing.
Yes, I wrote I didn't write the third one, ma'am. I
Okay,
only
now
read
the
the
third one. A, B. So first is G, F, E, F. So floor. Yes. Then again you have G, both. Two alphabets have G. Two words have G. And that also GR, GR. So gray and green. But then see the third alphabet. So gray, GRA. So gray will come second and green will come third. And the last one is kettle. Yes, understood? Shall I write the answers, Bilal? Do you think they are writing?
Ma'am, I am writing.
Easy
Yes,
it is
we
not, but
are.
the writing, no, beta.
Ma'am, writing.
I'm writing, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am, also write the answers.
What?
Also write the answers some of.
No, ma'am.
No, I'm not writing the
No,
answers for
it
such
is
a easy
actually,
topic.
ma'am, this is very easy, ma'am.
Yeah, this
Alphabetical
is so
also.
easy.
Yes,
This is for
ma'am.
nursery. This first, second standard students do this on their own.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Hinda is in the first standard. And Hinda, I'm putting you in the waiting room. Your video is off. Wait, I'll put her in the waiting room. I'm tired of telling her to switch on the video every day. Those who switch off the videos, you'll go in the waiting room and I will lock you there. Okay, next one, beta, fourth one. All the words have S.
Ma'am, I'm not even done with the third one, ma'am.
So write it down, Bilal.
There is background noises. Tuck, tuck.
That's in my building, so I cannot mute because y'all will not be able to hear me, beta. Some building, some flat reparation is going on, beta. Okay, who knows the fourth answer? Fourth answer.
Fourth answer is very easy, ma'am.
Ma'am,
It is
can I
one
take-
Beta, I will give you permission to share the screen and do the answer. Fourth answer. Bilal, will you do it?
Ma'am, there is only S, so it will be.
No,
the
wait,
same
I don't want you to say oral. Bilal, I have bad manners. I've not told you to do oral. I'm saying I'm sharing the screen. You have to write and show me the answer. Okay? Have you all copied the question, the fourth one? Anybody?
No. I'll write it down.
You have written it?
No, ma'am, I have not.
Ma'am, I don't. No, ma'am. Ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you,
Ma'am, I
ma'am,
can do it. No,
Wait.
ma'am, can you write the eighth one?
I'm not writing by. Okay, stove, step, stamp, stair. Okay. The
So
first
the
one is
first one will be
stamp.
no, according to A, B, C, D. First ST, ST. ST, all the words have ST. Third alphabet C, E. E will come first according to ABC. So step. First is step. Second is stair. STAIR, stair.
Understand it.
What happened?
Ma'am. There is a STMT. I don't understand.
I'll explain again. What is given? Stove, step, stamp, and the fourth one is stair. Yes? Are you all with me? Stop writing, everybody. Stop writing, please. First two alphabets. What are the first two alphabets in all the words?
ST.
ST. Okay. If the first two alphabets are same, Leave that. Go to the third alphabet. Go to the third alphabet. First is O, stove. In step it is E. In stamp it is M. And in stair it is I. When you say A, B, C, D, what comes first?
A.
A.
A, B, C, D, E. See the third alphabet in the words. E will come first? Yes.
No.
Why no?
Oh, A. Ma'am,
Ma'am,
it will
A.
be A.
Yes, ma'am, it is A.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. STAA. Okay. Now AA is same. So go to the fourth alphabet now. M or I? Which will come first? I or M? I will
M.
come. I. So
I, ma'am.
STAIR. Stair. Yes. And then
Stamp.
come on, next one.
Ma'am, stamp.
One.
Step, ma'am. Step.
Sorry, step. Sorry, step.
Step, ma'am. Step.
E. Yes. And next.
Stove.
O. Okay.
Ma'am, stove.
Stove, ma'am.
Yes.
Stove. Then step. No. No, step then.
Ma'am, stove. And stamp.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Ma'am, can we choose the M or I? Ma'am,
Yes.
can we choose the M or I?
No, I think we are making a mistake. I think here first stamp will come.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. I was telling you.
We are making a
Stamp.
mistake. Stair, stamp, then step and stove. Okay?
Ma'am, I
Because
was
according
saying,
to ABCD, if we are going, so AA, no? Then I, M. Okay?
ma'am, I was thinking that you were making a
M will
mistake
come,
and I was
ma'am.
telling all the time, ma'am.
Right?
M will
No.
come.
Now this is right, no?
Yes.
Yes? See, according to ABCD, beta, if we go,
Ma'am, if there are two A's, then we can leave it and after A, B, C, D, E. After that, E will come and after the O will come.
yes, we are right. Now we are right.
And I was
Okay?
thinking that you were making a mistake.
No, I was correcting myself. I was checking first here. That is why I didn't write complete. You all were calling me. No, I was checking here. Okay? Now we are right. Shall
Ma'am,
I
wait,
stop?
ma'am, wait.
Copy
No,
this,
ma'am.
beta. Copy this one.
Which ma'am?
This answer which I have given.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Stair, stamp. Okay? Then step and stone.
Ma'am, in third one, I have confusion.
Ikra, you always have a confusion. You don't try on your own, beta. Everybody is trying on their own, beta. Third one, write first. Floor, Floor, floor. Then Gray, gray. Then GREEN, green. And then kettle. Completed?
Ma'am,
Now fifth one. Who will try the fifth one?
Ma'am, please share.
Fifth one, who wants to try? First is B. So B, R will come or B, O will come first? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. So B, O will come first. B, O, X,
Yes.
box. Then B, R, I, D, G, E, bridge. Then D, I, S, H, dish. And D, double O, R, door. First is box. Okay, then bridge. Then dish and door. Written the fifth one?
No.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sixth one now. All have W. All the alphabets have W. So leave the first alphabet, go to the second one. Now second, water and waste. W-A, W-A. So go to the third alphabet. W-A-S will come first. So waste is the first word. Waste, then water, then W-I-D. So D will come in according to ABCD. Wide. W-I-D-E, wide. And the last one is window. Waste, water,
One minute.
wide, window. Is that clear?
Yes.
Waste, water, wide, and window. Completed?
No.
Write it down. Waste, water, wide, and window. And 7 to 12 you will do for homework. I will share
Okay,
this
ma'am.
on Google Classroom. You all do that for homework. 7 to 12.
Okay.
Okay. Now open to page number textbook. 98. 98. All right. We are doing this vocabulary, that is revise and check, revision of all the grammar we have done. Okay. Copy the sentences below. Replace the words in the bold with a word with a similar meaning from the following. The first one, I'm reading the sentence.
Ma'am, what is the page number?
Page 98, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
First one, the instructor told the children not to laugh. You have the textbook, beta, all of you?
Yes.
Yes.
You all have the textbook, say yes or no, quickly.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
Mama.
With
Hinda,
PTS.
with whom are you talking? Do you have a textbook, Hinda?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Again, see the page number.
Page 98. Whichever word you have to change, underline it, write the answer on that. Is that clear? Clear? Okay?
Ma'am, I didn't get it also.
That's your problem because you're busy talking here and there. Page 98 we are. If you look here and concentrate, you will understand what is happening. First one, the instructor told the children not to laugh. So which other word is for instructor? Write teacher. Underline instructor and write teacher. The teacher told the children not to laugh. Underline laugh and write giggle. G-I-G-G-L-E, giggle. Understood, all of you? Zohaib, Arhan,
Ma'am, say again the second one.
laugh is giggle. First, underline instructor, write teacher, and underline laugh and write giggle. Giggle.
Ma'am, can I tell the second one?
Yes. Read the
Yes,
sentence
ma'am.
first. First,
Okay,
read the
ma'am.
full sentence, beta.
The big drum made a very loud sound.
Yes. Now, big will change to
Large.
very good. Large. L-A-R-G-E. Change. Underline big. Write large. And sound will change to
Noise.
noise. Very good. Hina is a good girl. Sound will
Can I
change.
say the next one?
Now what to do. Very good girl. Come on, Inda. Good girl.
My small brother was always truthful.
Yes. What will
My-
come in place of
My
small?
little
Little. And truthful? Honest.
honest.
Honest. Honest. Honest. Change it and do it, beta. Okay. Now, next, rewrite the following using punctuation marks, capital
Ma'am, I
letters,
didn't
speech
do the
marks.
first one, ma'am. I didn't do the first one.
Which first one, Bilal?
Ma'am, you can see my small brother was very truthful.
The first one you
Little-
want the answer.
Yes, little and honest and done, ma'am. Little and honest.
Instructor is teacher and laugh is giggle.
I know.
So what do you want me to do? You're saying I have not done the
I didn't
first
do
one.
the C1. I didn't do the C1.
Little, put small, little and
I
truthful
know,
will be
I
honest,
saw the
beta.
one.
Okay, completed, beta, all of you.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Did you all understand what we did?
Right?
What,
Yes,
beta?
ma'am.
Ma'am, we did alphabetical order
Ah,
and bold
Alphabetical
words.
order, no? All are dabbu. Y'all are dabbu. Nobody is saying A, B, C, D. If you say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, you will understand which word will come.
Ma'am, I was right about the which one I was right about.
No, I'm
I
not
was
checking
right
that
about
now,
the
Bilal.
first
I've given homework. Randomly, I will ask on Thursday the homework. Let me see if they understand. Otherwise, I will explain again. Understood? I
Ma'am,
will
you
share
send the
that.
question in the Google Classroom.
Yes, I'll share, beta. So from 7 to 12, you'll do as homework. If you all don't know, I will again show you on Thursday. Is that clear? Show me a
Okay,
thumbs
ma'am.
up. You all
Yes.
have understood. Why this Hamad is coming here again? Hamad Ansari. Please go in, Armstrong. Okay, Mariam, are you there, Mariam? Hamza? Are you all there, Mariam and Hamza? Hamza, Mariam? Why your video is off, Mariam? Because you're sleeping? Now, can I continue that exercise? Yes?
Yes.
Yes. All right. And one more thing. See, please revise the old chapters also for the exam. I will give you all the timetable very soon. Okay?
Ma'am, the Maori, ma'am.
Before Maori also lessons will come. Last exam we had only assessment. We never had
Yes.
written exam. So those lessons, those grammar topics, I will pick up some lessons. Okay?
Ma'am, keep it touch.
I will give you all the portion in writing. Okay? Understood?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
We will get revision also.
What will get, beta?
Revision.
What revision you want? Portion. Say portion, not revision. I will give you all the portion first. Yes? You're asking about portion,
Yes.
no, Madiha?
Yes.
I will give you, beta. I'll give you the portion. Okay, you see the old portion, no? We had done the young fox, traditional tales. That is a Balinese folk tale and a golden bird. Remember?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
and in
ma'am.
grammar we have done prefixes, synonyms and speech marks. Yes?
Yes.
So all this old portion, please go through those lessons. They will come in the exam. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes. Don't sit aram se. Only one lesson will not come for exam. Okay?
Which one?
Hina, I am saying that only one
Ma'am,
lesson
from
will
where
not
to
come.
where
I will
it will
put the old portion also. Okay?
Okay.
From the where to where it is.
I will give you the portion. Did I give the portion, Hinda? No. I haven't given the portion. But I'm just saying that you'll revise the old lessons. Is that clear? Understood?
Ma'am, in exam you
Yes.
will get Bawang's lesson also.
Yes, you will get The Young Fox, Melanie's Folktale, A Golden Bird, and the grammar part. Okay? I will give you all the portion very soon. Is that clear? Come to page number 98 again. 98, beta. Okay. Now this one, punctuation, A, B, C, D. You all will do for homework. I want to see if you all know it or no. A, B, C, D, homework. Punctuation. Is that clear? Yes?
Yes,
Write
ma'am.
down homework over there. Punctuation is homework.
Ma'am, which subject is this?
Oh my God. Sayyad,
But
are
I
you
forgot.
sleeping?
No, ma'am,
Then how can you ask me which subject is this?
because I kind of forgot.
How can you forget? What are we doing?
English.
Shut up. Who is saying in the middle? Why do you all talk? Let him answer. He doesn't know that he's doing English. Very bad, Sayyad. Very bad.
No, because I checked the book 2 times, but it didn't show this page.
Page
English
98,
book.
beta. Page 98. See, page
what
99.
you-
Maybe you have a new
Number
book, so it is on
97.
page 99.
Ma'am, what is the 90 page number? No, ma'am, I checked in Google Classroom 2 times the whole book, but it wasn't there.
How can it not be there? It's surprising, Sayyad. I'm using the same book. Only if it's a new publication, if it is published new, the number can be different, but the lesson will be same. Okay? Right?
Ma'am,
Can you say excuse me? Can you say excuse me?
Excuse me.
Yes, what happened?
Ma'am, what is that in 97 page number?
That is not required. Whichever page I say, concentrate on that. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. Did I say to go on page 97? No. So leave it aside. Okay? Right? Now page 98. Punctuation is your homework. And now question 2. Copy this sentence using the writing the words in bold. They apostrophe RE going to the aquarium on Sunday. What will be the correct answer? Full words.
They are.
They are.
They and ARER. Underline and write the correct answer. They ARER. This is given in.
Ma'am, can you write it?
No, I'm not writing it. It's very simple. There's nothing to write, beta.
Ma'am, do we have to only underline the R?
Yes, just underline and write down ARER. That's all.
Ma'am, which word we have to
Underline RE. RE. Can you see RE? Right up. Uske upar likho ARER. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Now next word. They couldn't wait to see their friends. What is the full form of couldn't? Could not. Could not.
Not, ma'am.
So underline and write NOT not. This NT. It will be NOT not. Yes, Ikra, understood? Next one. Third one. Who will try the third one?
Ma'am, can
Ma'am,
I
Hinda
tell?
can I? Ma'am,
Bilal will try.
Hinda.
Bilal.
We will pick you up at 4 o'clock.
Will. It is will. It's not we will. When you write the answer, you will write we will. Underline the double L and write we will. WILL. We will pick you up at 4 o'clock.
Done, ma'am.
Completed. Come on, page 99 quickly. First, fill in the blank. Rewrite the sentences with the correct verbs. First one, I dash get ready to meet my friends. Is or am? What will be the answer?
Am.
I am. Okay. Next, second one. Ravi dash my favorite cousin. Are or is?
Is.
Very good.
Is.
Ravi
Is.
is my favorite cousin. Very good, children. Third one. There dash a basket of clothes by the river.
Was.
Was.
There
Was.
were a basket of clothes by the river.
Oh yes, they are clothes. It is in
Clothes,
clothes.
yes, it is
in
plural.
singular.
Okay,
It is
now next, come on, write these answers quickly, fatafat. Beach, beaches. Beaches, beaches. Singular, plural, beaches, beach, beaches. Es, put es. Beaches. Now here, we have glasses. So put in the singular glass. GLASS, glass. GLASS, glass. Third one, we have fields in the plural. Write your field. FIELD, field. Are you all writing down?
Yes,
Next,
yes, ma'am.
watch. What will be the answer for watch? Plural.
Watches.
Watches. Put WATCHES. ES. Watches. Next one, Ikra. What will be the plural for box? Box.
Boxes.
Yes, BOXES. Boxes. And Madiha, what will be the singular for dishes?
Dish.
Dish. Very good. DISH. Dish. Next one. Write these words in alphabetical order. Okay?
Ma'am, homework, ma'am, homework.
Homework do?
Yes.
No, we'll do it now. Okay. Now listen to me first. Say A, B, C, D. Which alphabet comes first? C. Now all the C. C2. You have two C. CARE, care, and COLOUR, color. So the first
That's
word is care. Care. Write care. Answer care.
Because the second letter is A, ma'am.
Very good, Hinda. Very good. She explained it. Very good. Next is
Ma'am, can I do
color.
it from my PDF textbook, ma'am? I'm writing it too slow.
You have to write it with us. Care, then color. Then next word is, which is the next word, beta? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. P will come. So you have
Ma'am.
pain,
P,
price, and power.
Pain.
So
Pain and then
first is
power.
pain,
Pain. Pain,
Yes.
power.
then power and price. Pain, power, price. And next will be slow. SLOW, slow. And the last word is warm. WARM, warm.
Ma'am, the last word is warm.
Yes, last is warm. W comes in the ending, no, beta? Warm. Okay, now add
Yes.
suffix, that is ly, to the following words. Okay, happy. HAPPILY, happily. HAPPILY, happily. Next, quietly. QUIETLY, quietly.
Easily.
Next, easy. EASILY, easily. And the last one, loudly. LOUDLY, loudly.
Done, ma'am.
Very good.
Ma'am,
Yes, bacha.
Ma'am, 7th chapter.
prefix of quiet.
QUIETLY, beta. Just add
Ma'am,
LY.
can I say you one thing, ma'am? Ma'am, what's the first one?
What, beta?
The first one, right? These the second one, ma'am. Care, warm.
You want the answer of that?
Yes, ma'am.
Write the answer, all of you. First is care, C-A-R-E. Second is color, C-O-L-O-U-R, color. Third is pain, P-A-I-N, pain. After pain is power, P-O-W-E-R, power. Next, price, P-R-I-C-E, price. After that is slow, S-L-O-W, slow. And the last one is warm. Okay? Okay? All right, we'll end the session
Yes.
here. I have given you all 2 homework. Please do the homework. And on Thursday, I will take a test of the young fox, the young fox and prefixes. Prefixes. The young fox and prefixes. Is that clear? Understood? Which lesson test on Thursday?
Okay, ma'am.
The young fox
The young
and
fox
The young fox and
I will make groups.
and
I will make groups of boys and girls and let's see who wins. Okay? All right?
yes.
Ma'am,
The
the
young
telling one
fox-
or writing one? Telling
What,
one or
beta?
writing?
What?
Telling or writing?
Oral or written?
Written test. Written test. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Chalo, any doubts? Please ask me on Thursday. If you all don't know alphabetical order, I will show you again on Thursday. Okay, beta? Please start revising. Exams are coming closer. So don't waste your time. Try to study. Concentrate in your studies. Okay, beta? Bye-bye, everybody.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye.
Bye, beta. Bye. See you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Bye. Bye.